Hey Josh, what you drinking over there?
It's just a little Dr. Thunder.
Oh, not Dr. Pepper?
We can't afford Dr. Pepper. You don't have a job.
Crap. Oh, that is perspirating. You know, that makes me wonder.
Oh God, no.
So there are a few ways you can make this ramen dish. You can marinate the noodles beforehand, or add drops of thunder to taste while the ramen simmers. But I'm just going to go with the more traditional method of walking the dock. Not gonna lie, I kind of wish we had canned thunder instead of bottled. It's just aerated a little better and just slaps harder overall, but we'll have to make do with what's on hand.
Now this is actually really great timing because my good friend Charles recently got a walk. Yeah. Congratulations, good job. It's baby's first walk right there. I'm proud of you. And he's been asking me for recipes and well, this one's pretty straightforward. And there you have it. This is you, Wiz. This is for you. For you. So this is a new recipe for me as well, so I'm just kind of ballparking the ingredients and the cook time and everything, but I mean, I honestly don't know what's gonna happen to all this sugar when we bring it to a boil and like the carbonation with all the bubbles. I mean, as long as you leave it uncovered, it shouldn't explode.
If you remember from the first video, there were only 2 of us to judge the chili ramen.
Do I have to?
No.
Okay.
I didn't think it was the greatest, but Jake really liked it for some reason. I mean, it was hard to determine whether or not it actually ramened, so I think I'm gonna get 3 idiots to try out this recipe.
Talk me, sugar.
Derek, what's up, dude?
A whole lot. What are you up to?
Hey, I just made some supper. I was wondering if you'd be interested in coming up.
Dude, that sounds great. What'd you make?
Nice. Noodles. It's noodles. You'll like it. You'll love it.
Okay. Is my lady Liz invited?
Probably not. No.
Oh, that's
Yeah, it's
okay.
no. It's like 50% gluten.
Like, you added more gluten?
Like, yeah, something like that.
Dude, that's fine. That's a lot of gluten. I'm down for that. I love gluten.
All right, man. I'll see you over here. Let's go. Get it.
Get it. I'm hanging up.
Okay, fine. You hang up. No, I'll hang up.
Oh, that's a plenty big bowl for.
Yeah, I don't want this.
This is dirty. There's stuff in there.
Is it?
This one's even dirtier.
Here, take yours. God, you little dog. Just don't judge me on how clean my bowls are.
We wash our bowls, fool.
You the dogs in them?
No, why would the dogs be in the bowls?
Wait, you don't raise them to. Oh, right.
A good host would have us dished up already.
I invited you. I don't even want to be.
Derek, I'm glad you can make it, and Josh, I'm glad you're here to tag along.
Stag
Here.
along, bro.
Just bring your bowl over. I'll dish you up some food. You guys like ramen, right?
It's okay, I guess.
Yeah, look at this.
I mean,
Josh,
this looks diseased.
you like Dr. Thunder, right? Yeah. There you go.
What did you do to my baby?
Nothing.
Why do I have to have 2 scoops?
It's fine. You want 1 or 2 scoops?
0.
Well, for that snide remark.
Oh, jeez, man. It smells like burnt sugar and I don't know. You're going to ask the question, does it ramen? And I'm going to tell you now, no. The answer is no. He doesn't have...
I'm too...
Idiot.
God, this hurts my wrist. Help me out. Oh my
Actually,
God.
if you don't
Thank
think
you.
about it,
Oh, yes.
kind of looks
That's-
just like soy
You
sauce.
don't-
That's good.
You
No,
don't have enough.
I think it's enough.
You don't have
It's-
enough.
It's gonna be good, but I can't eat that much. That's a lot of ramen.
You don't have enough. Yeah, oh, yeah.
Just let it out. Let it out.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you're done. We gotta save some for Lidl. She's gonna want leftovers.
I don't think I'm gonna want.
We don't have enough chopsticks for everyone. So, the story behind this, boys. Wait, don't start eating yet. Are you trying to die? I mean,
What?
the story behind this is Josh was drinking Dr. Thunder, and I wondered if it ramen. And we're gonna find out today if Dr. Thunder does indeed ramen or does not indeed ramen.
Why does it look like
indeed ramen?
Caramelized
Because it
rock
is
candy?
Sugar. And it probably just solidified because it was just sitting on there for 3 hours.
That's because you were at work. What are you doing? I make this nice meal for you. I invite you to my house.
You invited
decide
me
to
for
work late?
supper at 2:30.
Yeah? Is that weird?
Yeah. It's 8:30 right now.
It actually is.
It's been sitting on the.
It's fine. It was on like a warm. I think the stove top was on low, so it's been like kind of marinated.
Was it on that burner right there?
No,
This-
the next one back.
This one's the one that's on.
Oh shit!
Tell me.
Hey, this is for Wiz.
Can we?
Gotta be fancy for like spaghetti.
Cheers, mate.
For Charles.
Cheers, mate.
For Charles.
Here just slides out on his fork.
Oh.
Mmm. Who
It's
let
like
you do this?
strangely not as bad as I thought it would be.
No. It's not good.
Oh no, that is so bad. I mean, good. I'm a good cook. I'm Chef Cheeks. This
No.
guy knows.
No. Please stay away from me.
But is he done?
He's done. He's asking for more. That's the
Oh,
that's the bell.
No!
That's the bell for more.
Yeah, you made a mess.
You got a mess all over the floor, all over the table, all over my pants.
If my roommates are watching this, don't worry, because you told me I can only do this when you're not here, and guess what? You're not here. And I wish I wasn't either.
So, how many flavors are supposed to be in Dr. Thunder?
How many are in Dr. Pepper? Like 23?
The point is, ramen is not one of them.
Well, we didn't answer the question.
No.
You didn't hear the
Sorry,
question.
Joe. Let's hear this question.
Dr. Thunder. Does it ramen? Boys?
It does not know.
That's gonna be a no for me as well.
Do you have the rating again? Because your chili one was like a 2, right? A 2 out of 10?
We're not going to do
How do you-
Don't
how-
eliminate any farther. It's fine. We don't need to rate it.
1 out of 10. Can I say 0.25 out of 10?
It's one between 1 and 10.
Okay.
That's fair.
Just one more time for Wiz Quick. Can we say that, Dr. Thunder. Ramen.
Ramen,
It's
yeah.
ramen. It's so good. You gotta try this for yourself. Just all you need is a bottle of Dr. Thunder and a packet of ramen. And you just bing, bop, bada boom. You got yourself supper.
I'm trying
And a trip to the hospital.
to bring the energy in. My face just wasn't showing. I don't think he's gonna buy it.
By what?
The ramen.
So you're calling it ramen? Thank you, it ramens. Good night, everybody.
Dude, this can make caramel corn if you want to change to does it caramel corn.
I'm trapped.
5.
Out of 5?
No, 5 clicks, not the...
Are you sure? Out of 5? Oh my god. A good chef knows his enemy. He knows when he's overmatched.